How to print from laptop to printer. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to print from laptop to printer. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have connected your laptop to your printer and make sure that the printer is turned on. So you can just wait for a few seconds until it turns on. So on your laptop, just head over to the file that you want to print. So for right now, let's try to print a docs document. And then once you're in here, you can just click on file right here and click on print. You can also just click on the Control P in order to print it. And then in here, just choose the printer. So it can be this Microsoft Print or this Epson L565. You can see your printer right here, so just choose that printer. Then after you have chosen your printer, just click on the print right here in order to print it. Now let's try to print a PDF. So let's choose this PDF right here. So we have this PDF. So what we need to do is just click on this icon right here. It is the print icon. You can also just click on Control P. And then once you have done that, you can see it in here. You can just choose the printer again if you want. Then after you have done that, click on print in here and it should be able to print. Now the next thing I will teach you is to print a picture. So right now, let's head over to our file manager and head over to the pictures that we have. Now from in there, just print this picture of a dog, right click on it, and then from in there you can see the print option. Here's the print option right here, click on that. And then this will open this right here. You have here the options for full page or for this thing right here. Just choose anything that you want and then select your printer again. After that, click on print. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped with your print from laptop to printer. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!